Hi, this is Rayla. Do you want to speed up your workflow in Adobe Illustrator? Well, today I'm sharing 3 game-changing keyboard shortcuts you absolutely need to know. They're things that I use constantly while designing. So let's dive in. So first up, we have grouping and ungrouping objects. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to highlight the elements you want. So let's group these together because right now you can see that they are not grouped together. I'm going to hit Command Z and just put them right back where they started. But I'm going to go ahead and select all 3 of them to group them together. And then I'm just going to hold down Command, or if you're on a PC, you'll hold down Control and then hit the letter G. And boom, they are grouped together. You can see I can no longer just access one of them. I have them all together right there. So if I want to move them around and say, oh, let's move it anywhere we want, and we can. I'm going to go ahead and go back, and here it all is all grouped together. And then to ungroup, it's just as simple. You're just going to hold down Shift, Command, or Control, and again the letter G. Boom, and now click away and they're no longer grouped together. Yay, so easy. The next shortcut is duplicating objects instantly. So all you need to do is you just go ahead and you hold down the Option key on a Mac or Alt on Windows, and let's say we want to do a happy birthday. So I'm holding down Option on mine, and then boom, I have happy New Year. And that gave me a duplicate, and I can duplicate that a million times if I want. That's obviously kind of sloppy. And then you want to actually keep it perfectly aligned. So you can hold down the Option key, and then as you're going, you're like, wait, I don't really want it. I want it to be directly above. So I'm going to hold down the Shift key, and then that keeps things perfectly aligned. And it's within degrees. So here you can put it, this way. I think it's 45 degrees, that way, or below. It just kind of keeps it as long as I'm holding down Shift. So a lot of times while I am, when I'm clicking Option, if I'm noticing, I want another copy, but I want it to be aligned, then boom, I hold down Shift and there it is. So super cool. I'm going to go ahead and Control Z and put that back. So lastly is just zooming in and out efficiently, and I use this constantly. So let's say you want to zoom in, you just hit Command or Control and then the plus button, and you can zoom way in, which is why I love Illustrator. You can zoom into the pixel. And then if you want to zoom back out, you hold down Command or Control and minus and zoom way out. Whoa, which is so cool. And then my favorite is Control plus 0. Boom. And that's super helpful for perfecting those details where I could just go right back to kind of my home screen. And so often as I'm designing and things are getting moved around and I'm just working away on something, then I will just often hit Command 0. And there you have it, 3 simple shortcuts that'll save you tons of time in Illustrator. Let me know your favorite in the comments below and share any shortcuts you use. I love to learn more. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more design tips. Happy designing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.